IMNN stock analysis and IMNN stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. With Imunon stock, we're already 35% up, which is great. I'm not dismissing that, but I'm just gonna hold off of randomly getting involved in buying, right? So look, I'm the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos made. I've been in the market for 5 years and I've seen what's making me money and what's not personally, and it's all on my YouTube channel. But all that to say is that I'm definitely open-minded to buy, right? Like, I'm all about the bullish side all years, hooray. But look, I'm hoping for a little correction. That means that when we open up on pretty much tomorrow, Friday, intraday trades are all going to be biased towards the long side as long as there is some sort of a shift in a Wyckoff accumulation. But if no rules are met, then I'm obviously not going to be buying and not getting involved. I know people like to overcomplicate stuff, but simple scales, fancy fails. Like, this is what it's taking so much time to learn. But if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.